How to turn on or turn off camera grid line in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open camera, click on 4 dots more option, click on settings, scroll down, click on composition guide. Now here you will see grid line and level, grid lines only, level only. And if you want to turn on grid lines, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, camera grid lines turn on from your phone. And if you want to turn off camera grid lines, then turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off camera grid lines from your phone. By this button you can turn on or turn off camera grid lines from your phone. This is how you can turn on or turn off camera grid lines in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.